In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for capacity planning. Whether you're new to Asana or just looking to optimize your workflow, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to set up, manage, and forecast workloads efficiently. Let's dive right in. To start with, head over to the Asana website, which you can find at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. But if you're new to Asana, no worries. Click on Get Started or Try for Free to create an account and explore the platform. Once you're logged in, the first thing you want to do is set up your teams and projects. Organizing your teams is crucial, and you can structure them based on departments, specific projects, or even different work functions. This will give you a clearer view of who is working on what and help streamline your processes. Next, it's time to add team members. Make sure to assign the right people to the projects they're responsible for. This step is all about ensuring everyone knows their roles and responsibilities, which will foster collaboration and accountability within your team. Now let's move on to creating projects. Projects in Asana can be set up for particular initiatives, clients, or timelines. Think of projects as containers for related tasks, which helps keep everything organized and focused. With your teams and projects set up, let's focus on visualizing capacity and adjusting workloads. First, check out the workload view, which provides a visual representation of individual workloads in either a calendar or timeline view. This is an invaluable tool to see at a glance who might be overburdened and who may have some room to take on more tasks. If you identify team members who are either overburdened or underutilized, take the opportunity to redistribute tasks. Reassigning tasks to balance workloads not only prevents burnout, but also maximizes your team's productivity. Additionally, make adjustments to deadlines or priorities if necessary, ensuring that everyone can meet their goals without unnecessary stress. Next, let's talk about forecasting future capacity to avoid any potential bottlenecks. Use the timeline view to identify any gaps in your schedules, which helps in better resource allocation. This way you can ensure that no one is overloaded in the upcoming weeks. An essential part of effective planning is setting task dependencies. By linking related tasks, you can avoid bottlenecks where one team member waits on another unnecessarily. This proactive approach helps keep your projects on track. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to enhance your capacity planning. Try color coding tasks to quickly identify urgent or high priority work. Use labels and tags to categorize different work types like design, marketing, or admin. Finally, consider integrating Asana with other tools such as Slack, Google Calendar, and others to further streamline your workflow. That's it for today's tutorial on using Asana for capacity planning. I hope you find these steps helpful in optimizing your team's productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy planning!